Hello, it's Don. Okay, for any of you that wanted to follow on the dune buggy project, didn't have a lot of interest, so I kind of lost video on that. But I got the, it's primed, and I forgot all about video, and I got the first coat on here, and this is a metallic charcoal, I guess. The customer supplied his own paint. It was from Summit. It's a urethane paint. It looks good. It's single stage. And anyways, that's the first coat. Open air paint job. Haven't had any love bug casualties yet, and there's a couple flying around. Anyways, I'm putting a second coat on now. And, you know, if you want to see more, leave a comment in the box. I still got the hood to do, and we got more holes to patch on that, and prime it, and ferret, and make all the little air holes go away, and oh, God, it just goes and goes and goes. Anyways, hey, I'm going to set you up, and I'm going to put my second coat on here. Well, there's the second coat. It looks good. I got no runs. I got no fuzz. I got no bugs. It's a nice color. It's a charcoal metallic, and he's got a truck that's the same color, so that's why he wanted this. Looks really good. I ran out of paint on the last little quarter bit underneath there. Nothing I hate worse. I always try to make extra, because you don't want to stop in the middle of your project and quick mix up some paint, and then, oh my goodness. Anyways, it came out real good. He'll be happy. Let's let this dry now. Set it for a couple days. I'll get it delivered, and then we'll do the hood. We'll do that start to finish, so in case you want to see it. Just some tips of the trade. This is a urethane single stage paint. I was able to put on a decent coat, first coat. Actually, it looked so good, I contemplated stopping, but you know, second coat's always good. But they tell you on the can, the flash time's 10 to 15 minutes. So I set my alarm for 15 minutes, it goes off. Now I know I can come back here and I get a good second coat on there without worrying about it running. I'm using an HTE gun, running about 28 pounds of pressure on that. It works out real nice. You know, it looks good. I'm happy. All right, thanks for joining me.